Hi, I'm Helen from Heritage Garden Seeds, and today I'm going to show you how to sow your wild rocket seeds. Now, did you know that wild rocket is a perennial, so it will keep coming back year after year? It could not be easier to grow, and we can sow our seeds from spring to early autumn. So I'm going to sow my seeds into this quarter seed tray, and as you can see, I have filled it with compost. I'm just going to scatter my seeds over the surface of the compost. And you could also sow your seeds into modules if you prefer, or even direct sow them. I'm just going to cover those with a thin layer of compost and give them a light water. So I'm going to pop this tray in the greenhouse while those seeds germinate. Once they've germinated and are large enough to handle, I will transplant them into small modules, and I'll grow them on a little bit to develop their root system and develop some true leaves. And then at that point, I will transplant them into their final growing positions around about 20 centimetres apart. So wild rocket is a perennial, like I said earlier, and it is just going to kind of take care of itself really. As long as you keep the growing area well watered and weed free, then the plants are not going to be too demanding. You want to be harvesting your wild rocket leaves regularly. That will encourage fresh new growth. The leaves will get more peppery as the leaves mature, so often the young tender leaves are preferred. So growth on the plant is going to slow down over winter, and the plant could potentially even die back. But don't worry, because they will bounce right back again in the spring. To try and extend the growing season into those colder months, then we would recommend covering the plants with a fleece or a cloche, and that will just help to keep those temperatures a little bit warmer for them. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me. The best place is always on Instagram. We are at Heritage Garden Seeds, or you can get me on email. The email address is hello@heritagegardenseeds.com.